Good morning, Madam and Sir. I'm Amorsi Gakod. I'm 32 years old. I'm married. I have one child. I am a college graduate. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money to support my family.
Hello, Miss Amor. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Madam and Sir. Thank you.
Have you worked abroad before?
Yes, I work in Amman, Jordan for 2 years and a half.
Have you worked as domestic helper in the Philippines?
Yes, I have.
How many members of the family have you served?
There were 5 in the family, parents plus the children.
How many children and how old the children when you begin to work there?
There are 3 children, 11 and 14 years old.
Do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes.
What were your main duties?
Cleaning, washing and ironing, cooking, and taking care of the children.
Please tell me your way of baby caring and how you get along with young children.
Feed them, take a bath, change diaper, play with them, teach them homework, and tell them some stories.
Can you sing children's song?
Yes.
Please try.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys.
Okay, thank you. What kind of recipe can you cook well?
I cook Filipino food like adobo, menudo, spaghetti, and pasta.
Okay, can you follow recipe book?
Yes, I can.
Describe your personal character.
I have hardworking, honest, loyal, respectful, and friendly.
How do you perform as a good domestic helper?
I follow all the rules and regulation of my employer and promise to finish my 2 years contract. I hope to see you, Madam and Sir. Thank you.